Relax, unwind, spend some quality time in the warm glow of a dancing fire. Classic Flame, the leader in electric fireplaces, introduces its newest fireplace insert collection with new innovative realistic 3D flame effect technology. The Spectrifier customizable flame effect allows you to create the perfect ambiance with multiple brightness levels, speed settings, and color options. Each remote-controlled fireplace features an integrated infrared heater, hand-finished logs, and stunning lifelike 3D flame effects that flicker and dance to create the illusion of a real burning fire. Designed for year-round use, the fireplaces can be used with or without heat, while still enjoying the realistic flicker of the 3D flames. Equipped with Safer Plug and Safer Sensor fire prevention technology, you and your family will feel safe. Sensors continuously monitor the temperature and are designed to power off the system if anything obstructs the heat up. Add a cozy and inviting ambiance to any decor with the magnetic glow of a rich dancing fire. Look to Classic Flame to make sitting next to your electric fireplace the most beautiful, realistic experience it can be. From Twin Star Home.